In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method on Uber. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Uber application like you normally would. Then you want to go to the bottom menu and select on the option that says account. Once you're over here, go toward the top and then select on wallet. Then it is going to present you with a page that looks like this. And then all you want to do from here is you want to scroll down and then you should see the option that says payment methods. From here, all you want to do is select on this button that says add a payment method like so. And then over here, we have a bunch of different options that we could actually utilize. So we got bank account, Venmo, credit or debit card, PayPal, Google Pay, basically whatever works for you should be able to work on Uber. So all you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and select on what you would like to use. So for this video, I'm just going to be using PayPal just to keep things simple. So I'm just going to be selecting on PayPal like so. Now, depending on what you did select as your payment method, the process might look slightly different, but it will basically be the same thing where you connect your bank account to Uber. That is essentially the gist of it. So I'm just going to be doing it with PayPal like so. And I'm just going to be selecting on agree and continue. And just like that, it was now able to add my payment method, which for this video was PayPal. But obviously you guys can go ahead and put in whatever works with you. And then you guys could even include multiple payment methods. So if you want another way to pay, that is definitely something else that you guys could do. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.